morning, children. Today we are going to study page number 25, your history. The chapter is the first cities. Chapter 4. First cities. That is Harappan civilization. Okay, so it was the earliest civilization of the urban India. What is urban? Urban is where we live in the cities. Rural is villages. Okay, urban people gave to world its earliest cities first town planning. Imagine, so many years ago. Right? You have got proper drainage, you have got sanitary, you have got engineering. Today in Aligarh, even now we don't have proper sanitary drainage. But in those days, these early men, they gave us all kind of city planning. So, this civilization developed in Indus Valley about 5,000 years ago. Similarly, other civilizations were also there. We have got Tigris-Euphrates civilization in Mesopotamia, the Nile Valley civilization in Egypt, and the Hongo civilization in China. So you see, 5,000 years ago, we have all these. This was first city in India, Hongo in China. This was in India. And Hongo, another city 5,000 years ago, Hongo in China. And one was Nile Valley civilization. This is Nile. You know, Nile is a river in Egypt. Nile Valley. This is Nile Valley civilization. This was in Egypt. So you see, we have all these three civilizations developing 5,000 years ago, and they had excellent system. And the Harappan civilization gave the world its first town planning. So the earliest city that was found was Mohenjo-daro in Larkana district of Sindh. You know, it's known as Mohenjo-daro. This is known as Harappa in Sahwal. So this is styled as Indus Valley civilization because it developed around the river. You know why civilization developed around the river? Because there was plenty of water. You have plenty of water, you have plenty of produce, you have plenty of things to eat, and then greenery around, you got plenty of animals. So you see, all the civilization, if you look at Hongo River civilization, they all developed alongside the river. So they can get main is the water and air. So air was there already. So water was the main thing, and there was no pollution in those days. So when the archaeologists, you know who the archaeologists who excavate, who find out all the ancient structures. So the excavations were done at site near Ropar, Chandigarh, Lothal near Ahmedabad, and Kalim Bagan in Rajasthan. Proved that this civilization flourished over a vast area. Now it is proved beyond doubt that Indus Valley civilization was also flourishing beyond the Indus Valley. It means Indus Valley civilization was flourishing around the river, okay, but it was flourishing other than other places. As excavations at Ropar and Chandigarh, there is no river, but it happened. Now, what is the characteristic of a civilization? You have town and cities, surplus food production, okay, trade flourishing, development of technology, art flourishes, people communicate in languages, society divided into different socio-economic segments, law and order exist, and the government enforces like we have. So, classic of a civilization is written here on page 25. Now, how was the civilization discovered? It was Mr. R.D. Banerjee It was Mr. R.D. Banerjee. Correct date. It was Mr. R.D. Banerjee who excavated and discovered the remains of Mohenjo-daro. Now, both these sites are situated in Pakistan now. India and Pakistan was one, as you are aware. That these cities came into being 4,500 years ago, around 2,500 before Christ. 4500 साल पहले this was discovered. So, similarly, at the same time, Egypt and China also developed this civilization. Now, so he is the person who discovered the Mohenjo-daro. Okay? Sorry, Harappa. Mr. Banerjee discovered Harappa in Pakistan now. Okay? So now, let us see the chief features of Harappan civilization. What are the chief features? What are the chief features? What are the main things? क्या खासियत? Features is खासियत क्या है इसके अंदर? Okay? So now, town planning. First was, chief feature was excellent town planning. You see, town planning was wonderful. I mean, while examining the ruins are Khandar of Mohenjo-daro, we found that the streets were 9 feet to 34 feet in breadth, like ours. Okay? And roads were straight and cut each other at right angles. No brick kilns were allowed. No pollution means. Okay? And the corners of the street, it was something like this. You have got this, this. So this is how the streets, and then they have rounded it corners so that bullock carts can move easily. You see? Something like this. So that bullock cart when moves, it moves easily. So this was the wonderful street designing in those days. Amazed, no? You will be surprised. Everybody has his own dustbin. कितनों के पास डस्टबिन है आजकल, okay? And every street had a lighting system. Such a system of town planning was not found anywhere in the world. This means we were the best in the world. We had the best people, best designer, and best architects and best engineers. Now, well-planned drainage system, yes. This is very important. Well-planned drainage system. नाले, हमारे नाले कैसे हैं आजकल? But in 5,000 years ago, it was a well-planned and it was covered with bricks. Inspection trials were provided. I mean, amazing. Okay? So, these are the features of a these are the unique architectural features. One moment. Okay. Now, let us do some case study. We take up the northwest. Case study is, we take up a particular thing. Case study, northwest. Page 27. Okay. Now, one moment. Now, the city of Indus Valley, like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, divided into two parts. One part was built on, no, the city of Indus Valley, studying Indus Valley, it was divided in two parts. Okay. Now, first part was, the one part of built was there on a raised ground, it was called the citadel. Okay. So part one. So one part was on the raised ground. ऊंचे 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 स्तर पे ये नीचे है, ये नीचे 10-20 फीट के ऊपर. They have made divide two parts the city. One was the citadel, and the citadel included public building, places of worship, workshop, and granaries. So in case of any flood, people used to take shelter at the citadel. The other part, which was the main city, where the people lived and worked. Now, the main city, this was the lower part. You see, अगर बारिश हो तूफान आए सब लोग यहाँ चले जाएं सिटाडेल जो कि हाइट पे है. And the city, the main city, obviously you cannot have everything at a higher place because it's very difficult. So the whole city was on the ground, that is the main city, and here it was the lower part of the city. So you see, the most important part in the citadel, the ऊपर वाला, was the granaries where you store the grains. आपने ग्रेनरी देखी होगी ना, where you put in wheat, rice, everything is stored, कि जब भूखमरी हो, कुछ हो, बारिश ना हो, so it is distributed to the poor people. And then, so whenever there is a famine, they used to get granaries from this. The citadel at Mohenjo-daro, as well as that has a building. There's an assembly hall, there's a great public bath. You know, there used to be a great public bath. So, and in lower part, people lived there, many dwellings. The house was made of gypsum mortar. House of foreign with pay floor. उस ज़माने में pay floor था, जैसे आपके स्कूल का pay floor है, आपके घर का pay floor है. So, and then there was craft production. Okay, so these are the two parts: citadel and main city. What? Children, Indus Valley had two parts. One was citadel, which was at a higher ground. जहाँ ग्रेनरी है, जहाँ बिल्डिंग्स है, मॉस्क है, मंदिर है, चर्च है, गुरुद्वारा, एवरीथिंग वाज देयर. एंड द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द मेन सिटी, कभी फ्लड वर्ड आए तो सब ऊपर आ जाए, या फिर when there's a famine, decided the grain खराब ना हो जाए पानी से. So you see how intelligent the people were. Kash, it would have been today, it would have been much better than USA, much better than any country in the world. So the craft in the city. Now, let's see about the craft production. Craft. So, the craft of image making and sculpture, murti banana, you see, this is the craft. This is Indus Valley jewelry. Craft of toy making was the toy बच्चों के लिए बनना. Figure made of bronze or a painting. Craft of pottery, pottery, what we drink, tea and everything. Craft of image making and sculpture. So the sculpture of murtiyan was there, and then this is the painting. Art of carving. You know what is carving? You paint everything on it. So this is the art of carving. And then the seals. So you have all these craft productions, different kind of productions. Okay? And then we had seals and their importance. You know, you put your seal. Your father must be going to office, so his office seal is there. So in those times, you see, they were using these kind of seals. More than 2,000 seals have been found in various sites in this valley. These seals throw a good deal of light on religious faith and commercial activity. It's commercial activity. आप जब भी जाते हो कोई seal लगा के देता है ना, स्कूल में आते हो, you want TC, we give you a seal ना. So that kind of seal was there. Okay. So you see the art, the production of the art, the craft was much developed in those days, 5,000 years ago. Now, let us see the social and economic life of the people. Now, social life. आपकी social life क्या है? Today's social life is TikTok or sitting in front of internet or playing games. These are not good health social life. Now, so life of people. Let us see in those days life of people क्या थी? What was the life of people in those days? Dress and ornaments. The people were wearing modern dhoti. They had good shawl covering on the left shoulder, passing on the right shoulder. An occupation, they were growing rice. They were growing rice. They were growing barley. Means all agriculture production was taking place in those days. Then amusement. Then they used to play games. Fond of dance and music. Okay. So the people were very much enjoying like we are enjoying today. Obviously we have got many pankhas and ACs and videos and internets and online gaming, offline gaming, online study. But still those people were not, it's not that they were not enjoying. They were, I feel, after reading your chapter, they were living a very life, much better than us. No pollution, no religious confrontation, no caste divisions, nothing. All humans were humans. Today, our society is much divided. I'm sorry to say, it is becoming worse and worse. As the days goes by, as the people gather wealth, as the technology improves, this is helping in dividing us, not joining us. Okay. Now religion not in this valley. Let's talk about the religion. Religion, they were God Shiva, Pashupati, Maya Yogi. So they were worshipping certain kind of trees and birds and so many things. So you see, so these are basically, but they were not fighting with each other the way we are fighting today. Chote cheez mein we fight, we kill. Look at what happened in Hathras. A lowest level girl, caste level girl, was brutally injured, tongue cut off, her backbone broken, and nobody whispered anything. And then she was burned without the parents' consent. So this is something very evil happening in our society. So now let's talk about the decay and fall. You know, anything that develops, it has seen that once upon a time is very good, it goes down. So same happened to the decay and fall of Indus Valley civilization. But however, it was the Harappan people who were as much Indian as Arappans, as Aryans. Okay? So, the contribution of Indian Valley were peace-loving people. I told you, who enjoyed luxuries and comfort of life. They were at that time. And some of their achievements are really remarkable. And they have left us very proud. So, it is said that they gave to world its earliest cities the first urban civilization, you see. So Indus Valley civilization gave the world its first civilization with proper sanitary engineering and everything. Thank you. Now you also look at the key terms: culture, civilization, seals, citadel, granaries, great public paths. These are the key terms. Already I have marked the question and answer for you. See, I have marked this for you. So you can go and check and then make notes of the question. Already I have marked this. See? All the question answers have been marked. So no problem for you. Okay. And I have also done the exercises for you. Okay. All the exercises have been ticked. Kindly learn. Your exams are at the end of the month of October. Around 28 to 9 will be the half yearly. Okay. Thank you.